That's gonna be hard to get out.
Yep.
That's stuck in a tree. Shit. You alright? Y'all need any other hands down there?
No, I'm gonna ride it out.
Alright.
These gears get me. Figured out the whole time I kept dying, I was in third gear.
Yeah. Man. That would explain it.
Remember up front we were doing all those drills and stuff? Yeah. Yeah, don't forget them. Too late. No worries, dude. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna ride it up out of here, and I'm gonna turn around, and I'm gonna get over this thing, and then I'm actually gonna park it. I'm gonna open over this hill, and I'm gonna park it just right over there, and I'm gonna and then we're gonna reattach the steering real quick before we go on. Yeah. Okay.
This is recording, right? Red
Yeah,
blinking?
red light on.
Yeah. Alright.
Can I see again? Cause it looks. Yeah, it's blinking.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, thanks.
Sure.
Well, that was fun.
If I gave you my email address, do you think you could?
Dude, I saw
Yeah,
you not
sweet.
making up that. I was on my way to come back and help you, and then I see Chase going. Ah!
I'm like, we got him now. Got a guy down over here.
Oh man.
That was Whiskey Throttle at its best right there. I could see him get pulled.
Oh no.
Nearly.
Did you get that on film?
Oh yeah.